Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at VIDA, home of the Sharks, Vista Innovation and Design Academy. I've been here in the past. This is my first visit, though, of the 2024-2025 school year. Speaking to grades 6, 7, and 8, part of the AM/PM after school program here in Vista, California. And an honor to be able to share my heart again about a very important topic to myself, and that deals with respect, right? And so, I love these murals that are all across campus talking about being welcome, that you belong, right? The one behind me right here. And it's so important that we really live by these principles, because we need to have that more welcoming and inclusive environment, not just here at school, but everywhere in our lives, right? With our peers, our classmates, our teachers, our coaches, our parents, our friends, our family. And so I really tried to hammer home, these underlying concepts of compassion, empathy, and really putting yourself in someone else's shoes, right? That we start to understand the impact of our actions. And, once we do that, we understand that we can make a difference, positive or negative, on someone else's heart, and it can last potentially forever. And so, through the different videos that I played, talking about being an upstander versus a bully or even a bystander, having the courage to step into what's right, but kind of accelerating it out to say, hey, there's these certain moments in our life that we either follow the crowd and do the wrong thing, even deep down we know what's right, or we have that courage to really stand up and believe in what we are doing, and be that voice to the voiceless, or somebody with no voice. And there's a lot of heartfelt stories that I definitely shared from my past, and people in my life too that have shared their I guess almost some of their pain, right? But they still chose greatness each time. They still chose kindness. They still rose above that hate. And to know that we can choose kindness, and that we need human kindness, like my shirt that I'm wearing for this assembly, that's really what it comes down to, right? Every assembly that I do, whether it's junior high, elementary, high school, the bottom line is, you always have a choice. And you can either uplift or you can tear down. And it sometimes takes the same amount of time, but tearing down, those are instances that can last even longer sometimes than trying to build someone up, right? And we sometimes focus more on the negative, and we get these heart bruises, these heart marks that you can't really see, you can only feel these, right? Regular bruises, they can heal pretty quickly, but the ones inside here, sometimes they take a lot longer, and sometimes they never heal. So when we understand that we can have that self-respect and respect to others, which also ties into the sub-theme of this particular assembly, which was that we are all miracles, right? I bring this up in all my topics, all my presentations, but this one especially, right? The lines on our hand with the letter M, we all have that, and that M stands for miracle, upside down, W is for worthy. But, so important to grasp this, because a lot of students I've spoken to, adults as well, sometimes they've forgotten that, never been told that, and we can be that reminder for them, right? We can be that light to their heart. And to know that, every time that we do an act of kindness, it's never forgotten, it's never lost. Just like when you have a candle that's lit, you light another candle, it doesn't lose any of the original flame. If not, it just gets bigger, right? And it's the same as kindness, same as respect. And so hopefully, something really did sink in today, touch their hearts, and, just always an honor to keep building on what we've talked on in the past, some other very important topics as well. But today, again, this one very near and dear to my heart. So remember that you belong here. Remember that you matter, that you are true miracles. Keep showing that respect, keep showing that love, keep shining your light. Hope to see you again soon, but as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out the playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.